In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen in the latest release of Microsoft Teams. Do you have any Microsoft Teams related questions? Let me know in the comments. Hey everyone, it's Joe from Filthy Casual Tech, a great place to find tech news, reviews, and tutorials. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button below, and all the links we reference in this video can be found in the video's description. And with that said, let's jump into it. There are a couple of main ways to share your screen within the Microsoft Teams clients. First and foremost, when you're in a chat conversation, you can click on the screen sharing icon at the top. And from here, you can actually choose to share your entire desktop or an individual window if you want a little more privacy. As a general rule, I would choose an individual window as opposed to sharing an entire screen. This is generally considered best practice. When you're on an audio or video call, you'll notice the share screen option is no longer located at the bottom of the screen, as depicted in this image. The new share screen option is located at the top of the screen here under Share Content. You also can use Control-Shift-E to share your screen. To share my screen, I'll just click this option. And from here, I have the option to share my computer sounds. I can share the entire screen. I also have the option to share individual windows. As stated before, I would recommend sharing the individual windows, as this provides you with a little more privacy when browsing around while you're sharing. Once you're done sharing your content, all you need to do is click on the Hide Share Options icon here, and that will stop sharing with the other user. From there, you can either continue to carry on your call or leave the call, and that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please click subscribe and click the notification bell. Question: are you looking forward to any upcoming changes with Microsoft Teams? If so, let me know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.